Hello everyone, welcome back in the second part of these antifungal agents. In this we'll see first that is Nascadine. As far as the physical properties of Nascadine is concerned, yellow to light brownish color. The Nascadine has a characteristic odor, has a taste characteristic as well as hygroscopic in nature. The powder is hygroscopic in nature. As far as the solubility of these Nascadine is concerned, very slightly soluble in water. Now storage of these Nascadine, it should be stored in tightly closed light resistance container. Uses first for the prophylaxis and the treatment of candidiasis of a skin, mucous membrane and esophagus. Next, for the treatment of intestinal candidiasis, means candidiasis normally we are going to refer for the mucosal, the fungal infection related with the mucosal surface. So this mucosal surface related with the intestine, and that's why it may be used in the treatment of the intestinal candidiasis as an antifungal agent for the candidiasis of the mouth and the candidiasis for the vagina. Next, means most of all types of mucosal surfaces can be covered, or the candidiasis, particularly the infection related with the mucosal surfaces. So these particularly the sites which has a mucosa which may have a chances of a fungal infection, so these can be treated by using this Nascadine as a formulation. Various types of formulations are available, such as Nascadine tablet, cream, Nascadine oral suspension, Nascadine eye drop, Nascadine lotion, Nascadine pessaries, Nascadine topical powder, the Nascadine ointment, Nascadine vaginal tablet, Nascadine and triamcinolone ointment. So all these are the around 10 types of formulations, are wide varieties of formulations are available as far as this Nascadine is concerned. Now the brands such as Nistan is a brand, then the Nista form. So actually Nistan is available as a oral suspension, this Nistan oral suspension, Nascadine oral suspension, then the Nista form is available in the form of ointment. So again the Nista dermal, again one of the brand for this Nascadine. Next antibiotic, which is an amphotericin B, which belong into the class the natural antibiotics or antifungal antibiotics, amphotericin B. So as far as the physical properties, amphotericin B having yellow to orange color, has odorless. As far as the taste is tasteless, nature powder, and solubility is insoluble in water. So if you are dealing with the chemical properties of this amphotericin B, when it is treated with the phosphoric acid, a deep blue color is produced, and that will be the identification test or the chemical test for the identification of the amphotericin B. Stability, it is stored in tightly closed light resistance container, and temperature between 2 to 10 degrees Celsius. So it should be stored in cold temperature, and the container should be again light resistance. Uses, it is effective against the severe systemic mycosis infection. It is used in the treatment of mucocutaneous and cutaneous leishmaniasis and candidiasis. So the leishmaniasis again is called as kala azar, so related with the skin, which may lead to a fungal infection further. Candidiasis, so both these leishmaniasis and candidiasis can be treated, such we are calling a mucocutaneous and cutaneous leishmaniasis and candidiasis by using these antifungal agent. Cryptococcal meningitis in combination with the flucytosine. Flucytosine is a drug, so in the combination with amphotericin B, these can be used for the treatment of the cryptococcal meningitis. Now it is used for the suppression of the oral and intestinal candidiasis. The same animation I am going to share you in the Moodle. Next, the amphotericin B formulations include amphotericin B cream, amphotericin B lotion, lozenges, amphotericin B ointment, amphotericin B injection, amphotericin mixture, and the brand includes Fungizone and Fungiline. Fungizone, actually it is for injection, amphotericin B injection, and Fungiline is available in the form of the lozenges. The packed container, the bottle which has the lozenges packed in this. So Fungizone and Fungiline are the brands for amphotericin B. Next, and the last antifungal agent, that is called as Hemicin. Hemicin also called as Primamycin. Basically it is actually a polyene types of antibiotic. The physical properties includes color actually a yellow, odorless, tasteless, amorphous powder, and it is insoluble in water. So chemical properties, when it is treated with the concentrated sulfuric acid, it will gives the stable blue color. Stability storage, as usual, it should be stored in tightly closed light distance container. As far as the uses are concerned, it has an antifungal and antitrichomonal activity. It is used topically and orally in various fungal infections. Pharmaceutical formulation includes the Hemicin ointments, Hemicin vaginal tablet, and Imprina is a popular brand for the given drug, that is Hemicin. So this was the last drug amongst these antifungal agents. So thank you so much for watching, and thanks for being with us.